Hi, everybody. So today is Tuesday, February 23rd. This is homework 2. I'm going to show you how to how to do homework 2. For homework 2, you need to write a paragraph. So a paragraph is about 8 sentences or more about one topic. The one topic today is, what is your favorite event? My example is about weddings, right? For you, it's a good idea. You can write on paper. This is my paragraph. Really, I want to write more. You can see I am going here, and today I will show you a little bit more. But the paragraph, right, I did half a page, but really maybe I should do like this every other, right? No writing here, and then this one, and then no writing here. So it's about 1 page. It's a good idea, write on paper and take a photo and send it to me. If you want to write on a computer, it's okay, or on your phone, but I think it's a little difficult, so maybe write on the paper. Up to you. So the first thing we want to do is look at the reasons. Did you make your list? You have the list of reasons? Okay, great. So we have 5 reasons. But for the paragraph, we just want to write about 3 reasons. So the first thing is finding the most important. For me, I think I like this one. This is most important for me. And this one. And this one. So look at the 5 reasons and then choose 3. So you have lots of ideas, and then find really what do you want to write about? What do you have good examples? Or it's really the best thing for you. For me, my favorite thing is at weddings, I like to see friends and family together. I like the fashion at weddings, and I think love is very important. And when 2 people find love, then this is really a beautiful thing. So, what, in your opinion, what are the 3 reasons for you about your favorite event? So out of the 5, choose 3. Maybe, maybe underline. Like this. Whatever you need to, so you know, okay, I will write about these 3 reasons. So this is organization, right? Before we write, we want to think about organization. Sometimes when we write, it's just like there's all of the information. For sure, we know all the information. But then when we're writing, we start saying this. Oh, I like this. And oh, I also like my family. And oh, I like fashion. And oh, we bring gifts. And then it's confusing for other people. So we need to be organized. So today I'm going to show you an example about me writing a paragraph. And I will use my computer because I can show you on the computer. Oops. So the first thing is we want the first sentence. This is a topic sentence. It's really important. Write the same thing for you. I like for 3 reasons. I like birthday parties for 3 reasons. I like barbecues for 3 reasons. I like family reunions for 3 reasons. Copy the same way. And today, let's practice using first, second, third for our reasons for the organization. And after these words, we will write 1, 2, 3, or 4 sentences. And then the second reason. 1, 2, or 3 sentences. Third reason. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to you if you want to write a lot or a little bit. So, when we are writing, actually, for a paragraph, everything is together. Right? You can see my example on paper, my whole paragraph is together. There's no like space or this way, that way. It's just all together. A paragraph is all together. All the sentences together. So we want to write, I like weddings for 3 reasons. First, so my reasons, right? I can look at my reasons. Friends and family together. Okay. I like weddings for 3 reasons. First, at weddings, usually friends and family are together. I like meeting new people. For example, this is very good. You can use for example. For example, at my brother's wedding, I got to meet, I can say my brother's wedding last year. Right? So I use a real example, last year. At my brother's wedding last year, I met, right, past tense, meet, right, meet is like routine. Every day I meet new people, or I can meet new people. I don't like to meet new people. But for me, I met. At my brother's wedding last year, I met his friends and his roommates from college. I also saw my extended family, like my grandmother and my cousins. Right? So that's the first reason is I like to meet family and friends together. I like this at weddings. There are friends and there's family, and maybe the bride and the groom getting married, the people getting married. You meet their friends, maybe their roommates from college or from when they're young, or their neighbors maybe, or their co-workers. You meet more people in their life. I like this. Second, I like the fashion at weddings. Right? This was on my list. The second thing that was important for me is fashion. I like the fashion at weddings. I like to see the beautiful dresses and suits and the flowers and decorations. Do I need an example? Maybe I can say, I could give an example from my life. My family does not have a lot of money, but maybe the weddings in my family are very special, and the fashion maybe is special without being too expensive. So that's an example. I can give another. For example, my mother made my sister's dress. when she got married. Right, so this is one way, because my family doesn't have a lot of money. To save money, my mother actually made the dress. She has the skill. So the last reason, right? We have third. Oh, my last reason is about love, right? And love is very important, I think. So the last thing I will write is third. Third, in my opinion, love is the most important thing in life. And I think, or no, here, I am very happy when somebody finds or my friend or family find a bride or groom to love. I think this is very beautiful. Oh, my computer changed the spelling. I don't know. Beautiful. And then maybe I can write one last sentence, like for conclusion. I like weddings for 3 reasons. Maybe I can just write weddings are very important and they can be beautiful events. Just like conclusion. Alright. So that's my example. So you can see, right, I'll make it a little smaller. You can see I have all of this together. This is one paragraph, right? It's about one topic. I like weddings for 3 reasons, right? This is, all of this is, we have the first reason, and then the second reason, and then the third reason. And in level 2, I want to see more details, right? So for example, I use, for example, this is a good way to give details. My example is about my brother's wedding last year, right? And I talked about meeting friends and roommates. And then I also have things like, when I say family, I give examples like my grandmother and my cousins. I use words like beautiful, expensive, right? Special, right? I want to see these words that tell me more about your opinions. So show me, write as much as you can, the best you can. And by the way, if you are very busy this week, before Thursday, so basically Wednesday or Thursday, if you're very busy before class, don't worry, you can take more time. Just send me a message and tell me I need more time, and maybe you can finish it on the weekend. For sure, you can write this paragraph before next Tuesday, before March 2nd, okay?